In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Udemy credits. If you're looking to enhance your learning experience on Udemy by purchasing credits, you've come to the right place. Let's get started on this simple process. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and type Udemy into the search bar. Hit Enter and find the Udemy website link in the results. Once the site is loaded, you'll want to log into your account if you aren't already. Look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From here, find and select Udemy credits. This option may sometimes be located under other account settings, so take a moment to thoroughly check the menu if you don't spot it right away. With your profile preferences open, you'll notice an option specifically for buying Udemy credits. If you're on a paid plan, there should be a button reading Buy Credits. Go ahead and click on this button to move forward with the purchasing process. Now comes the part where you choose the right credit package for you. Udemy usually offers several credit packages, so you can pick the one that best matches your needs and budget. Review the available options carefully and select the package you intend to purchase. Once you've made your choice, you'll see an option to Pay with Credit Card. Confirm your selection by clicking this button. It'll lead you to the payment details screen where you need to enter your credit card information. Double-check the details you've entered to ensure everything is correct before submitting. Here's a useful tip. If you have a promotional code, this is the perfect time to use it. Look for a link or button that says, Have a promo code. Click on this to open a field where you can enter your code. Carefully input the code and ensure it's valid and hasn't expired to take advantage of any available discounts. Once you've reviewed your payment details, including any applied promo codes, you can proceed to finalize the purchase. After completion, you should receive a confirmation email or message on your Udemy account, verifying that the credits have been successfully added. And that wraps up the process of buying Udemy credits. It's a straightforward procedure, but paying attention to detail ensures a smooth transaction. Enjoy using your newly acquired credits to explore and dive into new learning experiences on Udemy. Thank you for watching,